We have been proud to support our customers through the COVID-19 global pandemic. Many of our customers have played a vital role, from treating people with the virus in hospital, the development of vaccines, or sustaining output in key industrial sectors like food and energy production. We want to recognise you, our customers, as your hard work continues to prove critically important. We feel it's our duty to support you and your processes to enable your business continuity in support of the community. I would like to share just a few examples from across the globe of how we've been supporting our customers during this difficult time. Soon after the lockdown started, hospitals began taking steps to increase capacity and deal with the high volume of patients requiring treatment. In Spain, we were contacted by a hospital in need of our help to quickly expand the capacity of their laundry system. In the USA, we worked together with Gaudin Equipment and a local contractor to provide critical services for the reopening of a hospital in Louisiana. The hospital had been closed for a number of years, so there were challenges around the heating and hot water supplies. Within just 1 month, the hospital was open and serving the local community. We had more good news from the Middle East. One particular hospital needed our immediate support with steam quality testing procedures to tackle the sudden ramp up in hospital operations and to ensure the highest steam quality for essential sterilisation cycles. We also did a lot of work within our local communities. We answered calls from frontline carers who were struggling to obtain the right personal protective equipment in order to stay safe. We provided thousands of our supplies of masks and gloves to support them. Another initiative that I am particularly proud of was in April when we began machining critical component parts for use in the UCL Ventura breathing aid, a device that is used to provide potentially life-saving oxygen to patients affected by COVID-19. Many of our customers have shown inspirational care and commitment to their communities, and we have been proud to support them in a sustainable way. We are honoured to be able to offer our skills and our resources to support the global fight against COVID-19, and we will continue to do so.